Channel. My name is a craft artist. If you don't know my name by now, come on now, you should know my name by now. I say it in every video. My name is Dee Dee. Crafts. My life is a what craft artist. Today's a fun, exciting video for you and for me. I'm excited because I got my beautiful snowflakes back there, my snowman and my gingerbread I already made for that video. Go watch that video, please. I appreciate it if you did that. Give me a thumbs up on this video. Comment down below what's your favorite thing about winter or this time of year. I would love to know. I love hot chocolate. I love candy. The candy time this time of year is just oh, the candy is so good. I love it so much. So today's a cool video. Before I get too excited, it's all about doing some DIYs, some winter DIYs. And today I'm going to do a winter wreath. I'm looking at it right now. A winter wreath, but it's a twist. It's a snowflake winter wreath made out of snowflakes and foam and pom-poms. It's going to be so much fun. I hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and tell your friends about I am Dee Dee's Crafts. My life is craft artist, and I would love to show you my DIY. So let's get started. My channel, my amazing craft artist. It's a fun video for you guys. It's another Dee Dee's DIY Winter Wonderland video. Look what I got right here. All the snowflakes are out. We're going to make something cool with the snowflakes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and let's get started on this video. Let's get all the materials. We have to make a craft list of everything we need for our project. So I'll be right back showing you everything that you would need to make this amazing, what is it called? A snowflake wreath. Dee Dee's DIY Winter Wonderland snowflake wreath. This is so pretty. I have it laid out right here to show how I was going to do it. It looks wonderful. You can do it any way you want to. You can use rope, string, twine. You can use ribbon, whatever you want, glue, tape, whatever to make it stick together. I haven't stuck it together yet. I just want to show you how I'm going to do it. This is going to be so much fun. To make it more sturdy, you might want to use some more better material that I'm going to be using, but I love this, and I can't wait to show you all the things I'm going to show you in this video. Let's go down the craft list and all the things we're going to need, some material and accessories to make this beautiful snowflake wreath pop. So let's show you everything. I want to show you everything up close and personal. This is what it looks like right here, what it looks like. Beautiful. Right here is some real thick foam. Everything right here is foam, you guys. You can buy foam anywhere. Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Drawing Fabrics, Walmart, Target, Dollar Tree. You can go to Dollar General, Family Dollar. You can also go online and buy some crafting supplies from there. It's so much fun, and I love going to Five Below, buy some really good art supplies and craft supplies in there as well. So I got these ones a couple years ago. They're really cool and amazing. These are made out of foam, like I said, and you can get these with glitter on, or you can put glitter on yourself. You don't have to buy it with glitter. And then these are really thin. So thin ones right here. This is what it looks like with thin ones. I can show you up close. That's real thin. This is a little bit thicker. So let's show you the accessories to make this pop. So I'm going to show you right now. I started with the foam because I like foam. Foam snowflakes you can buy at Dollar Tree as a 12-pack right here. Really cool and wonderful to have for our project. Also, we have some cute, wonderful stickers that we have right here. I love stickers. These are glitter stickers and the glitter trees that are really pretty. They're pretty green. You have white snowflakes right there. Let's put this down so I can show you a little bit better. Then you have the beautiful, beautiful blue snowman. And then you have reindeer or deer. That's really pretty brown with glitter. And then also these bows. You can make your own bows as well. I make my own bows. This is my bow. You can make it and put it like this. Let's show a demonstration how I put a bow up there. Look how cute that is. It doesn't have to be that color either, but I make my own bows, and that bow is cute. That's a good bow. So I love it so much. Let's show you some more embellishments I will use on this project to make everything pop for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have fun decorating your own room for the winter time. I love it so much. More glitter stickers, and these are beautiful crystal snowflakes is what I call them because it already had glitter on it. I love it so much. It's a good project to have these stickers for your planner or for a project just like this. So let's move on and show you some more things I'm going to use to make this pop. As you can tell, I've been using some of the same products in all my crafting because I'm trying to at least use them up or get rid of them, or I've been had them sitting here for a long time. So let's move on to some more beautiful rainbow bejeweled. Love these. These are stick. They already got some sticky things on the bottom of it, but I love this. It's a beaded, pearled, whatever you want to call it, paradise. I love it. It's so pretty. I love the colors, right? That pretty blue, that white, that pink, that red pops, that pretty peach color. These are beautiful to have in your stash. I've had these for a couple years now, and I just thought to myself, we gotta use this stuff up. We just let it sit around. So that's what I'm gonna use in this project. Also, I have some jeweled border stickers that are really pretty that I love. They're white and glittery and look like little pearls that you get out of an oyster, but I love it so much. You can use this on your project, any project, bulletin boards. You can use it on your planner, on packaging, letters, whatever. I love it so much. And then I have some more to show you. Some Michael's beautiful trim that are really cool that I had for a long time. I've had this for a long time, you guys. So let's move on and show you some more things. I want to show you some more pom-poms right here that I've been using in all my projects. Look how pretty they look, right? I love it. Let's get pom-pom. I love this so much. Fan of pom-poms. I love this. I've had these pom-poms for a while. I've been using this up on my projects, and we're going to use it also maybe on this snowflake wreath. I'm not sure yet, but I just got them out just in case we might need them, and I cannot wait to show you everything, you guys. You can also use any accessory you want. You don't have to use the things I'm showing you. So let's have fun decorating. I'm going to wreath, you guys. I'll be back showing you the finished wreath. It's going to be fun decorated, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and I'm hoping you guys are having fun watching all these videos from December and January. The accessories are, look how cool it looks, you guys. It's getting dark in here, so I thought I'd hurry up and film this. I don't want to film it tomorrow, but I love this. It's such a great project. Easy. I use all the products I got from Dollar Tree and Walmart. Look how nice it looks. I'm going to hang it on the wall for you guys. I love the accessories. Look at it. Just look at my beautiful crystal snowflake with those beautiful pearls I put in the middle. That looks great. I love the colors I picked out. And I used the pom-poms. I was going to use some different accessories. I was going to add more to make it more busy on here. But I said, no, this looks cute and fun and quaint. And it's simple. It's a simple project you can do. I love it. It takes forever for the glue to dry, but I love it so much, you guys. I had so much fun showing you this project, and it was an easy DIY project for any age. Anybody could do this, you guys. If I can do it, you can do it. And all the products I used over here, these are the beautiful things. I was going to use the bows right here. I changed my mind, but I'm going to use it on a different project in a different time. These are a little pretty. I love these. I love the stickers. So thanks for watching this video. I had so much fun. I'll talk to you at the end of the video, you guys. Have fun doing some DIYs this year. This on the wall. I was going to put it on a different wall, but I said, now put it right by the counter. This looks so amazing. This is a fun DIY. I love how I did this. It took me a couple days to let the glue dry because things kept falling apart, but I love it so much. It's like snowflake wishes, you guys. I love it so much. It's a beautiful project. I use all snowflakes, all products from Dollar Tree. It looks so cute. Let's get a little bit closer on, you guys. Look at that beautiful pink right there. That beautiful pink pearl just pops out. And then you have that beautiful blue like a sapphire. And the lavender purple. Ooh, pretty. Then my beautiful favorite color of all time, red, just pops. I love that red and white. Look at that beautiful that looks. And then over here in this beautiful green and white. I mean, wow. That's like a beautiful green. And then I love this peachy color right here. That's really pretty. And then I have my awesome pink up here for my pink lovers. Look how beautiful this looks. I could have added way more pom-poms if I wanted to, you guys. Look at this. The pom-poms are really pretty, colorful, and wonderful. I love everything I bought in this video and everything I did. It's a very easy DIY, you guys. Anybody can do it. I love it. It makes the room pop on this white wall. I was going to put it on the closet over there, but I said, nah, it's not going to make it look good. I love this so much. It's a fun project for anybody. So have fun making your own things. And I love it so much, you guys. It was a beautiful project, and it took me a couple days, like I said before, and I didn't know what I was going to do at first. I was going to put bows all over it or whatever, but this looks a little bit better. So it's a fun project for any age, and also it is a snowflake wishes. So happy snowflake wishes to you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this fun DIY. It was a snowflake wreath. So cute, right? Right. Did you like it? Did you enjoy it? If you did, thank you so much. My amazing craft artists. I love doing this video. I love doing DIYs. It was a simple DIY, and I love it so much, you guys. And it was easy for anybody in any age you can do this. I love it. It's made out of foam. It was a snowflake wreath made of pom-poms and gems, and I love it. I bought most of the things from Dollar Tree, and one thing I bought from Walmart was the pom-poms, but I love it so much, you guys. I had so much fun doing this video. If you love this video as much as I do, please don't forget to click up there for more notifications. Click for notifications, and click down there. Subscribe to my channel, and also give me a thumbs up. More YouTube videos and more DIYs and more crafting. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, you guys. I had a great time doing this video, and have fun crafting throughout the rest of the year and next year, and keep crafting no matter what. What? Because it's snowflake wishes.